Welcome to Jyoti Hydroponics farm videos. So let's get started to get better at farming. Today's session is all about adding seeds to seedling trays. To plant tomato seeds in seedling trays, initially we begin by preparing a substrate using a mix of coco peat, perlite and vermiculite, which we have already discussed in our previous session. Now we fill each cell or pot of the seedling tray with the prepared substrate properly, leaving a small gap at the top with the help of any pen kind of equipment. Then gently put 2 seeds into the space made in the substrate with the help of a pen. Then cover the seeds with a thin layer of coco peat mix to fill the space in which we had added the seeds. Then label each tray or row with the tomato variety and planting date using labels and marker only if required. This helps in tracking the growth and identifying different varieties. After this, we water the seeded trays gently with a watering can or spray bottle to ensure even moisture distribution to each cavity in the tray. Make sure not to overwater any of the tray because excessive moisture can lead to damping off. After this, we place a translucent plastic cover or plastic wrap over the trays and wait for 48 to 72 hours for true leaves to create a mini greenhouse effect. This helps maintain humidity and temperature for optimal germination. Place the seedling tray in a warm location or use a seedling heat mat to promote germination. Tomatoes generally prefer temperatures around 21 to 27 degrees Celsius. Remember to follow specific recommendations for the tomato variety you are planting and adjust care based on the specific needs of the seeds. We will end this session here. Catch you in our next session. Goodbye and happy gardening.